Ever wonder how top data analysts make their Power BI reports look so interactive and user-friendly? In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful interactive features in Power BI, slicers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add them, customize their look, and use them to let your users filter data with a single click. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane, and with our dedicated team, we're here to simplify software learning, step by step. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our easy-to-follow guides. Let's jump right in. First things first, what is a slicer? Think of a slicer as an on-canvas filtering button. Instead of hiding filters in the filter pane, slicers sit right on your report page for easy access. For this tutorial, we're using this retail analysis report. Here, I want to show sales of specific district manager. I can do this through this filter pane like this. The same result can achieve from report page using slicer. To add one, go to the visualizations pane and click on the slicer icon. A blank placeholder will appear on your canvas. Now, let's bring it to life. Go to your data pane, grab the field you want to filter by. Let's use District Manager for this example. Expand the district table and select DM to populate it with a list of district manager names and their selection. Alternatively, you can drag and drop it right into the slicer visual. We are going to resize or move elements on the canvas to make room for the slicer. If the slicer is too small, items are cut off. Next, we discuss about formatting of slicers. By default, Power BI creates a vertical list with checkboxes, but depending on your dashboard design, you might want to change this style. With the slicer selected, go to Visualization pane, click on the Format Visual Paintbrush icon on the right. Under Slicer Settings, look for Style. If you click the dropdown, you'll see two more options. First one is Tile. This turns your list into sleek, modern buttons. This is excellent for touchscreens or mobile layouts, and it gives your report a very clean, app-like feel. Second is Dropdown. This is perfect if you have a long list of items and want to save space on your canvas. Let's stick with the tile style for our categories to make it look modern. Next option in slicer settings is Selection. Inside this menu, you can control whether your users can select multiple items at once or force a single selection, so only one item can be filtered at a time. We will discuss about the selection in details in another video. Link is provided in description. Below slicer settings, you can see Slicer Header. Here you can change title text, background, and other style of header. Also, you can on and off the header like this. Here I change one or two parameter, only you to get better understanding. Below Slicer Header, you can see Values. You can format values in the slicer here. Other general format option can be seen here under General. And there you have it! You've just mastered the basics and some pro tips for using slicers in Power BI. They are simple to set up, but they completely transform how users interact with your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what Power BI feature you want me to demystify next. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more beginner-friendly Power BI guides. Thank you for watching Power BI tutorials by MadeEasy, where we make data simple. See you in the next video.